What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today, I'm going to show you how to block a sender on your Gmail account. This is super helpful if you're getting spam and you still try to unsubscribe and they're still sending you stuff. You could just block the sender and then they'll no longer be able to send emails to you. All emails that they send will end up in your spam folder and you won't get notifications or see them in your inbox at all. So I'm on the Gmail app, but it's very similar if you're on Gmail, the desktop website. You're just going to head over to the sender that you want to block. For me, I have this paying social media jobs that keep sending me these job links, even though I never signed up for it and keep trying to unsubscribe. They keep sending it to me. But once you're in the email that they're sending you, you're going to see like their profile picture and then their name sort of in the middle of the screen. And if you look parallel to that, it's going to be 3 little dots. It's going to pull up this sending menu. And then you can see at the bottom of that you could just block the sender. It's going to come up with this little blurb right here that says you have blocked the email, and then new messages from this sender will be sent to the spam. You could unblock the sender from there if you want, and you could also alternatively report the sender, and Gmail will investigate it and possibly ban them from their site. That's pretty much all there is to it though. Once you do this, they will be infinitely blocked, and like I said, they will go to your spam folder, so you won't see them in your email at all. That's all there is to it though. If you were confused or you had any questions, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.